name's John Buck. I've been playing drums for 46 years. I use Collision 5B and 5BR sticks. I've used many different stick manufacturers over the years, but I find Collision give me the strength and durability I need for the way I play. The people there are great, and they're a British company. For the past 42 years, I've played with a band called the Polecats. We had some chart success in the early 80s, but we still tour and record all over the world now with the original lineup. And the track you're about to see is one of ours recorded live in April 2025. Enjoy the track and see if you can spot the stick drop and pick up near the end.